So, ito yung hapunan ni John. So, yan, pie. Homemade char, hindi oy. Binili namin to sa Asda. Hindi pa ako gutom, kaya medyo maya-maya pa ako kakain. Hinihintay ko lang ba na gugutumin ako. Kasi pag ganito kasi na hindi pa ako gutom, pag kumakain ako ngayon, nasusuka ako. How's your pie? Is it good? Good, good, good. Remove your hand, that's it. And we're watching... What is this called, Honeybee? The program?
Nothing to declare.
Nothing to declare. So, nagsisimula na ding mag-cut ng skirting board si John dito.
I don't do anything I can do that. Hey,
Are you doing that?
I've done it. No, I've done that.
This is not skirting board, or that's not skirting board, isn't it?
That's downstairs.
Yeah. Is this a switch for here?
Yeah.
Oh.
And that's for here.
And that's for here.
All right.
Ah, very nice. Yeah, you don't need a towel here now, or curtains.
No, well, eating that's it's warm, isn't it?
No.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just go and lock the thing and just get it sucked in.
Be careful, huh?
Yeah,
So, kukuhanin na ni Mr. yung...
decoration of that door.
We are in Black Bean Bug, sweetheart. Para tomorrow, kung sipagin ako. Yes. I think that's all of them.
Just that one. You got a box in the
Yeah.
thing, haven't you?
Oh yeah, where's the box?
Where is the box? What's this?
The box.
What's the Christmas
No, I need the box, hon. The rectangle box. Where is that rectangle box? Yeah. Is it heavy? Hang on.
Oh, I got it, is it?
Yeah. Okay. Then don't forget my luggage. I thought you're getting the wood as well.
Yeah, I'm getting you.
I cannot reach that, hon. Thank you. So this is my luggage. Hand over the wood, Han. Hindi na kasi ako makakaakyat dito, mga loves. Ay, natatakot ako. Makakaakyat naman ako, pero natatakot ako ba? Hindi na tulad ng dati na I don't care. Alam mo yun. Pero ngayon, meron na tayong iniisip na anak. Are you ready?
Hold it in a minute.
Right. Hand it over. Oh, not all of them, hon. Are you sure?
They're not heavy. If you put your camera down, you'd be able to pick them up, you know, with two hands.
Okay. There's more?
I like that.
A lot more, right? Okay. Hand it over. That's all the wood. So the wood will be in here, honey.
Landing bit.
On the landing bit. Okay. That's it.
Oh, so you think that,
You think we'll have enough? I think we will have enough. Got quite a few. So, itong wood na to is same to dito. So, hopefully, we will have enough para hindi na tayo bibili ng bagong wood. I-update ko na lang kayo tomorrow mga palangga. Hello mga loves. So, it's another day. So, ngayon lang ako nag-vlog. It's because for the whole morning, I've been tidying the upstairs. Dito mostly sa ating back bedroom dito. So, medyo na talaga. Medyo ready na talaga tayo kay baby. Honestly, I am excited to meet her, but at the same time, natatakot ako. I got fear. Kasi of course, I think the unknown of, sa giving birth and all that, but we'll trust in Him. So everything will be fine. So ito, naka-ready na. Ito, uniform ko yan. Of course, once na mag-start ako ng maternity leave ko, well, put that away. Na-assemble ko na din tong ating changing table. Yan, mga gamit ni baby. San ito? Pang everyday ko pa to. So, kailangan ko pa siyang ilagay dito for the meantime. Kasi dito kasi ako nag-get ready. Pag meron akong trabaho dito, ako nag-get ready. Kasi, of course, maaga akong gumigising at ayaw ko madisturbo si Jan. So, yeah, we're getting there. I still got few bits and bobs to wait. Kasi dadarating pa yung in-order ko na baby bottle, milk ni baby, yung nappy creams, and ano pa ba yung in-order ko? Ayan na muna. For now, yes, I think yan na muna for now mga palangga. So, at this moment, I am editing. And alam nyo, while I am editing, yung mata ko ganun-ganun talaga. Sobrang inaantok ako mga palangga. Pero pinipigilan ko yung antok ko kasi mamayang gabi, hindi na naman ako makakatulog. So, wala talaga ako ding nagawang pagtatanggal ng Christmas decoration kasi dito talaga ako nag-focus sa taas ng bahay ngayon. Baka sa sunod na day off ko na. Kasi tomorrow, balik na ako sa trabaho. 3 consecutive days. So, I think doon na ako magtatanggal ng Christmas tree natin, ha? Kasi pagod na talaga ako. Wala na akong energy. Good morning! So, meron akong trabaho ngayon. So, 3 consecutive days tayo ngayon mga loves. Ang ginaw-ginaw ngayon. Sana hindi nag-frost yung aking sasakyan. Anyway, the challenge. I never knew mga loves that putting a socks could be this hard. As in, parang noon, parang I don't mind this, but na ngayon na buntis ako, parang ang hirap-hirap. Importante talaga na nagko-compression stockings ka kasi you are standing for long hours. Noon pa naman talaga. Since na second year nursing student ako, ata, nagsimula akong mag-compression stockings. Kasi doon ko na-realize yung importansya ng pag-compression stockings. Ay. Whew, success. Frosting nga mga palangga. Buti na lang kinuan-on dyan yung ating sasakyan. Wala naman ako nakitang meteor shower last night. Sabi kasi kahapon, kagabi na mag-meteor shower daw. Ilang beses ako nagising para pumunta sa toilet and then namungaw ako sa bintana. Wala akong nakita. Anyway, mag-drive lang ako. Nandito na ako sa car park. Yan. Sobrang daming space kasi of course it's weekend. Naku mga loves. Sino naman tayo? Inaantok ako. I just talked to John. Ano lang, saglit lang kasi merong lakad si John. So, mamaya pa ako papasok kasi ano pa, 7:30 pa, mga 10 more minutes and then maglalakad na tayo papunta sa department. Anyway, ito na naman tayo. Yung baon ko is banana, mandarin, and then meron akong dalawang Weetabix. Yan lang. Nako, nakalimutan kong magbaon ng lunch, no? I'm pretty sure it's roast something, roast dinner kasi Sunday. Okay lang yan, at least. May pagkain sa kantin kasi kung wala ay nako. Ano lang yung kakainin ko. It's snowing mga loves. So, dadaan lang tayo dito sa store, village store para bumili ng itlog. Naubusan sila ng itlog mga palangga. We need to be very careful kasi yung snow, it's getting heavy. Whew! My goodness! Finally! Oh my goodness mga loves, tingnan niyo how quickly it's changed. Oh my goodness, do you think it will last, the snow? We'll see. Right, let's go home and have something to eat. Oh my goodness mga palangga, tingnan niyo yan. Nasa bahay na tayo. Wala masyadong snow dito. Doon sa village na nag-stop ako, ang thick ng snow. Hindi naman thick, but yeah, yung nakikita nyo naman kanina na white talaga ba. Merong little flakes. So, ang dinaanan ko talaga doon sa village shop is itlog, pero wala sang itlog mga palangga. So, anyway, katabi ng village shop is Chinese takeaway. So, nag-takeaway na lang ako ng beef in Cantonese sauce. Yan yung paborito ni John. Beef in black bean sauce. And then, beef chow mein. Yan. So, kain tayo. Dahil medyo marami-rami ito, magbabaon rin ako sa trabaho. Yeah, smells so good.